Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Reddit. So I'll click on this create media post, and we have an option over here, poll. So I'll title it which social media website you use the most. You have options to choose from below. Add an option 1 2 3 4 6. We have 6 options, my friends. So I'll write YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Tumblr. So what I'm going to do, my friends, that it says voting length 3 days. It will take 3 days. So I'll choose 7 days, the maximum one, 7 days, and post it. So as you can see, it has been posted. Let's see if it's created or not. Yes, it has been created. So I can vote whichever I want. I'll use YouTube and vote. So you see this graphic over here. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching.